Hey guys, I'm here because I'm gonna do another video unboxing on a new wig that I got off of Amazon. I am going to show you the link. You're gonna have to forgive this little pig over here. I'm gonna let you see him because he ain't gonna be quiet the whole time. Just letting you know. So I'm gonna put on a stocking cap first. To be honest with you guys, I don't wear stocking caps with my wigs. And most of these stocking caps that I get free. So that's why I have so many, but this one actually has 2 in the pack. Which is probably why my edges are gone. But you know what? At my age, I don't care about edges. Sorry. I'm gonna let y'all say hi to this little pig because this little pig ain't gonna shut up. So here we go. Say hello, little piglet. The little piglet wants to get out of the kennel. Ooh, hold on. Okay, I'll let you out so you don't hurt your dang self. My goodness. Hello. Little pig's hungry. Little pig is currently on some goat's milk here. Powder form. So I'm going to mix him up a little. About 1 ounce of milk because he's starving. Perhaps I'll be able to make a video. Little pig. All right, so he ate his milk. You ate your milk, or drank your milk, whatever you want to call it. Go take a nap now. Go on, take a nap. Let me do this, be quiet. Still down there making noise. Anyways, so I ordered this wig, and I don't remember the name of it, but it just came from Amazon. And it says, it doesn't even say, but I'm going to post the link. And no, I'm not getting paid for any sponsorship here. And it's red. It's a crazy color. So it comes in a plastic bag. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. I'm trying to see if, I don't know if that number means anything. I doubt it. And in the bag is this. And it's supposed to be a dreadlock, but it's not really the dreadlock. I mean, to me, it just looks kind of like twisty. And then there's of course, a stocking cap. So, this is a full cap, of course, no lace. And it's breathable, because I don't like it when it's too hot. So pretty much that's it. It comes in different colors. I think I actually ordered it in 2 colors, but this is the one that just got here first. It doesn't really have a part. They do sell these, I think, with the lace and the part, but I think that the top one, I'm tall, but even if you're sitting down, you can't, once you mush it around because of the texture of the hair, it doesn't really need a part. So, I think this is like a 1B, doesn't say, dang it. Anyways, it is by Isis hair. Okay, and it says if you don't take off the tag, you can try it on. If you're not feeling it, you can return it. So we're gonna leave the tag on for now. And let's see, it has inside, there's no combs in here. So you would have to attach it via whatever method you use. You could, I have some of those combs you can actually sew and attach. Or you can use bobby pins, or you just slap it on and go if that's what you do. So let me adjust my tightness here. All right. Okay, ready? 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 Put it on. Pull it down. Wow! Woo! I'm gonna push it back some. Okay. So on the website, of course, they have a side part, they have a middle part, and the different ones. So pretty full though. What do you think? This color is more for, I don't know. Some people are into the bright colors. I like it for, weekends or something like that. I don't know if I'd wear this color at work, but I think the other one I can't remember if I got the 1B or if I got the 1B30, which is like, got some, where it's red here, it's more of a brownish, blondish something. So anyways, if I part it in the middle, more towards the middle, and I saw on one of them, I think they actually cut some bangs in it or something. You can kind of make it look like it has bangs. Already, Freddy. Get rid of that tag. I'm gonna tuck it in for now. Ouch. Ouch. There we go. It fits snug though. I do like the fit of it. I mean, because sometimes the cap is either too big or the cap is too loose or too tight and you have a dang headache before the day's over. So, I don't know. I'm trying to adjust this. Sorry. There we go. I feel like I don't really like the middle part. What do you think? I'm going to pull it back to the side where I had it. I like the side better. Pull that over there. Okay, y'all, here we go. Let me get a stance here. Trying to adjust it. Well, what do you think? What do you think? What you think? What you think? I think it's cool. I like the length. And it's soft. I like the feeling of it. It's not coarse or itchy feeling at all. I mean, of course, you can fix it up with some earrings, a little lipstick, which I hardly wear lipstick, but let's slap some on and see what it looks like. Bam! There you go. Red lipstick brings out the red hair. Y'all need some big earrings or something. So, side view. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey. Side view. Has a little bounce to it. Other side. Yeah, I don't know. The tag's in the back. I'm going to show you the back view again, but I can feel the tag poking me. Poking me. Back. The length is like right at your neck there. What y'all think? What y'all think? It's pretty full. I love the fullness of it. It's full without being big. You know how you get full hair and then you have this huge like Oprah hair going on. Yeah, I don't want the big Oprah hair. So, yeah. I like it. So you can, like, again, like I said, if you want bangs, you can pull some bangs here and do the bang look. A few shorties in the front here. Pull these down to make a bang. So if you want the bangs, you can get a bangs, a bangs, 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 the bangs, bangs, bangs. If you want a bangs. Oops, that one's too far. I'd probably put a bobby pin to hold it into place. Ugh. Okay, I'm trying to see if I could just like kind of let it fall naturally. I don't know. I think I like it though. Make sure it's even, that it's even in both sides. Yeah, I think it is. I think I might be feeling it. I don't know. Comment what you think. Too curly? Too young for me? Hey, you ain't gonna hurt my feelings. Honesty is the best policy. I like facts. I don't need mean people just saying stuff to be mean. I want genuine input. Tell me what you think. I kind of like it. Like maybe because I have on a red shirt and red lipstick and red hair, it all kind of goes together. You get close so you can see the color. I gotta find it on Amazon to tell you again the color. I think, and I'll put that on here. I think it's 1B something. Even though it looks brown, I believe that's like a 1B mix with a red. I need some big earrings. I don't think I have any big earrings. Some big hoops. I need some hoops. What do you think? Let me see if I got these little hoops on. This one ain't big enough either, I don't think. Oh, kinda. What do you think of that? How's that look? Huh? Kinda. Makes it look a little more dressier or something. A little more bohemian. You know, it's supposed to be a dreadlock look, so. If you got that bohemian thing going on, you got your little Ende RE music playing. You know, I think it would be great in the summer time. You know, sundress sandals and your little locks. Ooh, 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 ooh. Anyways, guys, that's my one unboxing. Tell me what you think. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye. All right, now here's for the real test. Babe!
Yes.
Come here real quick.
All right, hold on. You in the bathroom?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, wow. This is one you just got?
Yep, this is the one I ordered.
Wow.
What do you think of the red?
I love the color. You've been red before, though.
Not this red.
No, yeah, you have. But not this many shades. I like it.
Yeah.
I do. It's very pretty. Oh, yeah, it looks good.
Well.
You did. You got lipstick on me.
Yep.
It's almost the same color as your hair.
It is.
Very nice. Very nice.
All right, guys.
Do you want to go on a date?
Oh, see? Now people hating on me. Anyways, that's the I guess opinion that matters, right? All right, see you soon. Bye.